Before we add anything else to our picture, let's go ahead and clean up our area because we no longer need our watercolors. However, you will need a brush. So I'm going to take my small brush, but I'm going to put my watercolors aside. And I am going to be taking out some glitter glue and some gems and some regular glue as well. So let me go ahead and grab these gems. And also my glitter glue. All right, for my glitter glue, I'll put the glitter glue here first. I want to add just a little bit of glitter to some things. First of all, I do want to add some glitter to those leaves. I've got some nice copper bronze and some gold. What I can do is I can take my glitter glue and I can either just draw right on top of the leaves like this, or I can spread that glitter around. I like to take my small brush and just spread that glitter, because once it's spread around, it dries a lot faster than a thick layer of that glitter glue. So you can easily go over, add that color. So I'm just going to squeeze that gold glitter and spread it. If you have extras, you can bring that glitter to some other leaves. But don't forget, you have other colors too with your glitter glue. So really try your best to spread that glitter around, unless you want it to be a little bit thicker. Just remember, it does take a bit to dry. So I'm just adding some glitter to certain areas. There we go. All right, I also have green, so I'm going to take that green and add the glitter to the green. And be careful as you are spreading that glitter around. You don't want to touch your picture on accident because you'll get glitter on your finger. All right, so there's that glitter on my leaves. If you do have your water nearby, you can clean that brush with that glitter, which I recommend, because I'm going to be adding some glitter to her outfit. Now, first things first, I'm going to be adding some glitter to her bow and lips. I can grab that, squeeze in certain areas, as well as her lips, and those teardrop shapes. And then I will spread that around. I like to tap it just to spread the glitter around, just so it doesn't all clump onto the paintbrush. And we'll do the same thing down here as well as to her lips. Now, if you find that you have a lot, you can easily just scoop that up and move it into another area. And same on the rest. Now, while glitter glue is a lot of fun to use, I recommend not doing it all over your picture. So even though I do have some light blue and dark blue, and I could use it on the picture, sometimes I feel that less is more. And so I'm not going to be using glitter glue over every single part of my picture. That's up to you if you want to. However, I'm just going to be sticking with the areas that I added glue, the glitter glue, excuse me. And then I can add some gems. Now I've got some red gems here. So I can take those red gems And I can add it onto her bow. I can add it onto her outfit. Just in those areas that I feel it needs to have some gems. So I'm just gonna add a few here and there. I can even add some to the background if I want to. Just be careful, because if you have really small gems, it can be a little bit hard to put them on. But just make sure we put those on. I'll add a little bit more. You can add as many as you want or as few. That is up to you. And there is your picture. Again, if you want to add any more, you can, or if you just want to leave it as is without the fun glitter, you can do that as well. But when you are finished with your picture, make sure that you do clean up your area, especially with the gems. You don't want to lose those. Make sure to keep them all nice and neat together. But today we learned how to draw Princess Snow White from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing Snow White, and we will see you next time. Bye.